Drainage system is chapter 3 of NCERT and carries a huge weightage in all PSC exams. Drainage chapter can be divided into Ganga drainage system, Indus drainage system, Brahmaputra drainage system, and Peninsula drainage system. In this video, we will start with Ganga drainage system, and we will divide this drainage system into three parts. First is origin place of Ganga, second is middle course, third is end and miscellaneous parts. Ganga river system starts in the Himalayas and is a confluence of various river streams. We will have to memorize all of these rivers, their places of origins and their confluence places. Alakananda starts from Badrinath and all other rivers joins with this river. Bhagirathi starts from Gangotri or Gomukh and joins Alakananda at Devprayag. Mandakini starts from Kedarnath and joins Alakananda at Rudraprayag. Likewise, Dholi Ganga joins Alakananda at Vishnuprayag, Nandakini at Nandaprayag, and Pintar Ganga at Karnaprayag. Now, questions are directly asked from all these rivers, sources, and confluence points. So, we have to memorize them all. You can find countless of mnemonics and tricks in the internet, or you can create your own. I'll share you how I've remembered all these rivers. You can use whatever trick suits you. Now, Alakananda starts from Badrinath, and you can remember this by simply as A and B. It's easy enough to remember. Now, every river meets Alakananda. The first is Bhagirathi. So, mnemonic for this is Dragon Ball Z or DBZ. I've replaced G with Z because they are similarly sounding letter, and DBZ is very easy enough to remember. So, Bhagirathi starts with Gomukh and meets Alakananda at Devprayag. The next mnemonic is Kumar. Take away all the vowels, you will be left with KMR. So, the mnemonic is Mandakini starts from Kedarnath and meets Alakananda at Rudraprayag. So, KMR. The next is Video. Take away all the vowels, you will be left with V and D. Vishnu Ganga, Vishnu Prayag and Dholi Ganga. You can make another mnemonics like Vishnu ne evil ki dhulai kar di. So Vishnu Prayag and Dholi Ganga. I mean, whatever works for you. The next is Nandakini and Nandaprayag. These both are easy enough to remember, so you won't need any tricks for this. The next is Himalaya is cold, so ठंड से काँप रहे हैं. KAP, काप. Karnaprayag, Alakananda and Pintar Ganga. These are not the best mnemonics, but neither are the worst, but we have to memorize them somehow. So now let's see what are the questions asked from this topic. This question is match the following. First is A, Rudraprayag. By trick KMR, Kumar, Kedarnath, Mandakini and Rudraprayag, it will match with 2 Mandakini. Next is B, Nandaprayag, and this will obviously match with Nandakini. C is Karnaprayag, and the trick was ठंड से काँप रहे हैं, KAP. So Karnaprayag, Alakananda and Pintar Ganga. And Pintar Ganga is option 4. Last is Devprayag, and from the trick Dragon Ball Z or DBZ, it will match with 1 Bhagirathi. Next question. These are the latest questions asked from this topic in CGPSC 2023 and UPPSC 2023. Both questions are based on Bhagirathi river. Devprayag is situated at the confluence of rivers Alakananda and from the trick Dragon Ball Z, Devprayag, Bhagirathi and Gomukh. Answer will be A, Bhagirathi. Second question. Which one of the following place is the confluence of Alakananda and Bhagirathi? So again with Dragon Ball Z, Devprayag, option number A. Now these are similar questions asked again on Bhagirathi river, asked in different PSC exams. Confluence of Bhagirathi and Alakananda is Devprayag. So answer will be Devprayag. And the fourth question is about the origin of Bhagirathi river, and the answer will be A, Gomukh. Next question. Here are 4 statements given in the question. First statement is Devprayag is located at the confluence of Bhagirathi and Alakananda from Dragon Ball Z, DBZ, Devprayag and Bhagirathi. Statement 1 is correct. Second statement. Rudraprayag is located at the confluence of Mandakini and Alakananda. Again from the trick Kumar, KMR, Kedarnath, Mandakini and Rudraprayag. This statement is also correct. Third statement. Alakananda flows from Badrinath. So our trick A and B, Alakananda starts from Badrinath. This statement is also true. Now fourth statement is a tricky one. This is not from geography, it's from art and culture. Adi Shankaracharya established 4 mathas in 4 corners of India at Sringeri, Puri, Dwarka and Badrinath for propagation of Sanatan Dharma. So fourth statement is incorrect. Badrinath and not Kedarnath is the biggest seat established by Adi Shankaracharya. Rest all the statements are correct. So answer will be option A. 1, 2 and 3 statements are correct. Next question. Name the river which flows between Kedarnath and Rudraprayag. So again with the trick KMR or Kumar, Kedarnath, Mandakini and Rudraprayag. Answer will be D, Mandakini. Next question. Eastern Dholi Ganga is a tributary of. So every river in this river streams joins Alakananda. So answer will be A, Alakananda. Next question, with which drainage system or main river is Mandakini associated with? So every river in this river system is associated with Alakananda. So answer will be A, Alakananda. Next question, along which of the following rivers bank the famous temple of Badrinath is situated? So from the trick A and B, answer will be Alakananda. Badrinath is associated with Alakananda. So that was all from the first part of origin of river Ganga. Let's see the second part. Middle course of Ganga or Ganga in the plains. Largest tributary of river Ganga is Yamuna. It starts from Bandar Pooch Glacier in Uttarakhand, and Yamuna itself has 4 tributaries. From west to east, these rivers are Chambal, Sindh, Betwa and Ken. Trick to remember these is come see a big kite, CSBK. Again, tributaries of Yamuna are Chambal, Sindh, Betwa and Ken. You have to remember these rivers. Yamuna is a right bank tributary of Ganga and joins Ganga from the south. Son river is another right bank tributary of river Ganga and joins it from the south. It starts from Amarkantak Plateau and joins river Ganga near Patna. There are 5 left bank tributaries of river Ganga, and these are Ram Ganga, Gomti, Ghaggar, Gandak and Kosi from west to east respectively. Trick I used to remember this is Ram is going Ghar to get a dak. Dak means post or letter, and to get Kosi. So first is Ram Ganga, going is Gomti, Ghar is Ghaggar, to get a dak. Dak is Gandak, and to get Kosi, Kosi is river Kosi. Again, not the best trick, but not the worst. You'll get many tricks in the internet. You can go whatever suits you. You just have to remember all these rivers and their directions from where they join Ganga. There are a few more additional information that we need to know about these tributaries of river Ganga. Gomti river is the only tributary of Ganga that starts in the plain. All other tributaries of river Ganga originates in the Himalayas or river Son that originates in Amarkantak Plateau. Other information is that river Kosi is also called the sorrow of Bihar because this river is notorious for shifting its course. Now let us see the questions based on these. Which one of the following rivers is not a tributary of Yamuna? Tributary of Yamunas were 4: CSBK, Chambal, Sindh, Betwa and Ken. So answer will be option D, Ramganga. Second question, arrange them from west to east. So west to east tributaries of Yamuna were CSBK, Chambal, Sindh, Betwa and Ken. So here option will be A, 4, 3, 1, 2. Third question, the river Yamuna originates from. So answer is Bandar Pooch. Fourth question, which one of the following rivers does not fall into river Yamuna? Again, this is asking tributaries of river Yamuna. CSBK, Chambal, Sindh, Betwa and Ken. So answer will be C, Son. So this is the latest question asked from this in UPSC 2024. So the question is, with reference to Himalayan rivers joining the river Ganga downstreams of Prayagraj from west to east, which one of the following sequences are correct from west to east? And we know the trick. Ram is going Ghar to get Dag and get Kosi. So the answer will be option B, Gomti, Ghaggar, Gandak and Kosi. Now these are the questions that are based on the direction from which the tributaries of river Ganga joins the river. So first is, which one of the following tributaries of Ganga system flows northward? So flowing northward means the rivers that are joining Ganga from the south. So right bank tributaries of river Ganga is Yamuna and Son. So answer will be C, Son. Which river among the following does not join the river from the left? So again they are asking right bank tributaries of river Ganga. So answer is option number D, Son. Now this is the third part where Ganga enters Bangladesh and some other miscellaneous questions. So in Bangladesh the river Ganga is known as, so answer is B, Padma. Second question, the Ganga river is an example of antecedent drainage. So answer is option number A. River Ganga after entering Bangladesh is known by, again answer will be B, Padma. And the fourth question, the longest flowing river in India is C, Ganga. Ganga is the longest flowing river in India.